time for a midnight snack. So I've got spicy noodles, Thai fish cakes, a fried egg, of course, and some pickled radishes. Do you guys have an egg, a fried egg with your noodles? Because it is an absolute critical component. Let me show you how. You poke the egg and you have to swirl that yolk like a barbecue. Oh my God. That yolk flavor mixed in with that noodle, it brings everything to life, honestly. Thai fish cake. Have you had this before? This noodle and yolk situation, that get all that yolk. Barbecue the noodles in the yolk. Pickled radishes.